coming in to take a look at some of the updates. Annoying thing in the morning. Make sure your kids charge their iPads. So for the kitchen cabinets, we're looking at options over here. All right, nice and warm. If we could focus on the bedrooms and just finish them, I could start moving in all the furniture, right? They're gonna kick me out. They're gonna put me on the street. We're coming in to take a look at some of the updates. You can see in the kitchen, the guys are plastering the ceiling. So that needs to be done within the next few days. Talking about the cabinet over here and what will be included. This will be mostly for shoes. And then the arch over here. We're gonna use a drawer to include iPads for the kids. That's an annoying thing in the morning. Make sure your kids charge their iPads. So I'm thinking if I get a drawer right here where it's a pull-out and there's a plug inside, it's a one-stop shop for charging all your items. That's what me and Mohan are talking about this morning, these little adjustments. And then you said for the cabinet over here, it's gonna be, watch your step there. Cabinet over here is gonna block a little bit of the window, right?
Yeah, we have the sitting area here. It will come 20 centimeters out of this.
Which is fine. I don't think that's an issue. And then there will be a little seating area that we'll have. On the opposite side here is we'll have the nice arch and the stone as a backdrop, and then a drawer at the bottom, and then one that will pull out for electronics and charging. I think for me that's really important.
Yeah.
Okay. Where are we at with, so this is the big question mark. You know, the sliding door over here.
Yeah, so I'm following up with the supplier.
Okay.
I don't know what is the issue. So they delay, like they keep, so I'm on top of them.
Yeah.
So they said this week they will install the,
okay.
I'm waiting to know which day now.
So that's a big question mark, I think.
Yeah, this.
Because we can't move in unless we have doors. All right, so yeah, so let them finish that, and then that one will be thinner, right? That will be thinner than the ones that we have.
Yeah, this one will be slim frame on the top, and the channel down will be flush with the floor.
Okay.
So like.
Yeah, it needs to be smooth.
Yeah.
That's the other thing too, because I don't want it to be difficult to open and close. I mean, that would be just annoying. So that's important. That's a big question mark, because technically we have 14 days to have everything finalized, hopefully, because I cannot extend my temporary housing, unfortunately. Okay, so we have that. We're working on that. Cabinets are done. What else do we need to discuss today? Oh yeah, so for the kitchen cabinets, we're looking at options over here. Mohan, brought a number of options for the kitchen cabinets. So you got, this one's more of a classic look,
yeah, exactly.
Right? So we got a classic, round with some grooves on there, and then I don't know what this is. Not classic. It's kind of a little more modern, right? A little more modern.
Classic modern.
Okay, it's a little thinner. I think we're gonna go with this one. You know, just standard classic for the kitchen, and then for the rest of the house, we're gonna go with these black handles. We'll go round, but just normal. I don't like the grooves. I think we'll go just a normal sort of setup. So that'll look good. And then we'll do white linen again for the kitchen, and then at the entrance, we'll do white linen too.
Yeah.
Right. So there's consistency. Okay. What else are we looking at? And then as an update, we didn't use any of these colors. We're using skylight upstairs in my daughter's room. We'll go take a look at that. And then you can see with the molding, it's coming in. There's gonna be a nice mirror over here. Oh, you installed that. I didn't see that. Okay, cool. That's nice. One update, I do wanna install a Ring doorbell. So I'll order that. There's a nice Amazon sale right now, 11/11, so it's like 50% off.
Okay, so the wire here.
Yeah, so that's the wire for the doorbell. And then again, they're making sure that they finalize the ceiling for the kitchen. Anything else we need to discuss? Anything else we need to finalize, you think? Laundry. Should we go upstairs and look at it? Let's go upstairs. Laundry on the roof. I see that they finished the bathroom, right? The plumbing, so that's good. Still with the insulation. And I can see that they part of the toilet, right? Hot and cold. Okay, good. And then, sorry, just looking here. Same thing for my daughter's bathroom. Okay. All right, let's go take a look upstairs.
So there, I told him to remove, you want LED inside, huh?
Yeah, LED. Yeah, for the boys' room. That's the arch. All right, nice and warm. So this is where the laundry room will go.
So tomorrow they will start installation.
Yeah.
The washing machine
Yeah.
and the dryer will come here.
Okay. Okay.
It will come here. So here we can have a shelf and
Okay.
Also here. Here we can, it will be closed. So here we can make a door to have a storage,
Okay.
another storage, or you can use as I don't know, dryer or cabinet. I don't know. Because before the washing machine and dryer was here,
Yeah.
but now it will be there. We have the drain straight away.
Yeah.
And the drain and the supply coming here.
Okay. That's fine. I think for like a storage is fine.
Yeah. After here, I don't know. You will use this. You will dry the laundry here. Or you can make your hangers here.
Yeah, we could. Yeah, it's fine. I think. Well, that's what we have the dryer for. They should dry in the dryer because we had a washer and a dryer.
Yeah, sure. Just she will iron here only. Maybe.
Yeah.
Okay.
Still hot, man. I think for me, if we could focus on the bedrooms and just finish them, I could start moving in all the furniture, right?
Today they will come. They will finish they will seal the windows.
Okay.
I think they will finish.
Yeah.
We can finish the skirting, do the gouting,
Okay.
and do the final paint
Okay.
this week. So all the bedroom can be ready.
Yeah. So this week, I would say target is to finish the bedrooms, so that we can deliver the furniture because they will not. They told me that's it. Like they won't extend anymore. So okay, that's the update for today. We're kind of close. 2 weeks. They're gonna kick me out. They're gonna put me on the street, or we're gonna work. We're gonna live in a half built up villa. Let's see. So yeah, so that's the goal for this week. Finish the bedrooms, let them bring the furniture in, and then we have 2 weeks to go.